Scientists often work as detectives, solving mysteries by putting together puzzle pieces and sifting through information to test hypotheses. The genome, encoded by DNA, is a complex mystery that scientists are currently trying to unravel. Every human has a unique sequence in their DNA, like a fingerprint. Copies of DNA live in each of a human's cells. DNA teaches cells to build thousands of kinds of proteins from amino acid strands made for hundreds of types of cells with different functions. The instructions found in the sequence of the 4 nucleic acids, adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine, that make up DNA. Genome sequencing is decoding the orders of these nucleotides in an organism's DNA. The nucleic acids are like letters in a word. By themselves, they don't mean much, but when organized in a specific way, they become the basis for all life on Earth. There are several whole genome sequencing methods, but each fall into 2 main categories: the whole genome shotgun and the clone-by-clone method. Frederick Sanger invented the whole genome shotgun method, which sequences faster but is harder to assemble. This method goes straight to cutting up the DNA into pieces and then sequencing, like trying to put together a large puzzle one piece at a time. In the clone-by-clone method, the genome is broken into large chunks first. Scientists use a genome map, a chart that has landmarks of the genome, to figure out where in the sequence the clones fit, like grouping together puzzle pieces by object. The scientist combines the sequenced chunks like you would combine the sections of a puzzle. Though this method is extremely reliable, it's very time-consuming. The genome ushers in a new generation of medicine. Today, health professionals can use computer programs and determine if someone has a disease before the symptoms are displayed. For example, doctors can see if patients are at high risk for cancer, allowing patients to start MRI screening earlier or more frequently to catch cancer early. However, most physicians aren't completely trained to analyze genetic data, and genome sequencing still costs thousands of dollars. It also gives us information about diseases that may not even be expressed, causing needless worry about health. Nevertheless, as more information about the human genome is gathered and understood, humanity may be steps closer to a healthier world. The human genome is like a shelf of books all made into one. A history book containing records of the evolution of human ancestors through millions of years, a set of blueprints for each unique human, and possibly an instruction manual for combating disease. Overall, the human genome is a symbol of how humans have been able to unravel some of the secrets science and nature hold.